You're never gonna believe how Enzo Ferrari's arrogance created the Lamborghini brand.
Enzo Ferrari once insulted one of his customers. This customer, who was founder of a tractor company, was very angry with clutch of his Ferrari. When confronted with these issues directly, Enzo insulted the customer by saying he should stick to making tractors and leave sports car manufacturing to Ferrari. The name of the customer was Ferruccio Lamborghini. This encounter fueled Lamborghini's desire to create his own sports cars and creation of Lamborghini brand as we know today. Lamborghini was expert in making high quality farm tractors with innovative features. In 1964, Lamborghini introduced its first ever car. The 350 GT was powered by a V12 engine and sleek styling. This car solidified Lamborghini as a serious player in luxury sports car market and marked the beginning of rivalry with Ferrari, which we see even today. Both brands over the years have pushed the boundaries of performance and engineering with their cars. Though it seems funny how this rivalry actually began. If not for clutch issues with Ferrucio's Ferrari, we won't have witnessed iconic cars like Countach, Mircilago, Gallardo, Aventador and Huracan. If you found this video interesting, make sure to share this video with your friends and share your thoughts down in the comments below.